Welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic to every trader, professional, be you professional, be you a intermediate, be you a new beginner. This topic is crucial to the success of every forex trader out there. That is why it is titled The Ultimate Guide to Choosing the Best Trading Platform. The trading platform ensures the success or the failure of a forex trader. Now, when we talk of trading platform, what are we talking about? We are invariably talking of the broker, talking of the brokers in the market. Who is a broker? These are the people that provide the platform that you and I trade on. Why must you be careful? Why must you be very, very detailed in picking the broker? Now, let me tell you, the broker is out there to make money from the market. The broker is in for business. So, in as much as you are coming to the market to trade, to make money, so also the broker is positioning for money making. In that case, the broker is see your enemy, is see your friend, is see your business partner. Your understanding of the broker will define who he is to you. But mind you, he is out to make money, and basically he makes money from your failure. So you must know who your competitor is and how to face your competitor in the market. So a broker is your competitor. That organization, that business entity that provides you with a trading platform is your competitor. So you have to be very, very careful when choosing your competitor or a trading platform. Let me give you an instance. Who are the best who are the best football traders or football players in the world? Talk of the likes of Messi, Ronaldo, Mbappe, name them. Do you think that these people can perform greatly when placed on a very rough pitch, on professional or amateur pitch? Do you think they can perform? In fact, let me tell you, in some cases, there are pitches they will not play on. That means that is not pride. That means their talent, their skill, their expertise needs needs preparedness, needs a very level playing ground for them to display what they are capable of doing. So applicable to you as a broker. You are the player. Once the platform is not of standard, once the platform does not measure up, you will never make money. Let me tell you, 15 years in this industry, I have gone from one broker to another, till a point I get to realize, it was when I realized that no matter how good your strategy is, no matter how you understand the market, without the right platform, that is, without the right broker, you will lose. In fact, I have had a situation where a broker manipulates the chart against me. Yes, it happens. You may ask, how did I know? After the market, I had to compare with other brokers' charts, and I saw that instance that wiped out my account did not take place in other charts. That is a broker for you. That is a platform provider for you. So this guide I'm going to give you is what will help you get out of that pitfall or avoid that pitfall as a forex trader. So you are welcome once more. If you are a beginner, or if this is your first time of landing on my channel, I urge you to subscribe, share, and be part of my community, as this will help other new traders to avoid the pitfalls of a broker. So what makes a great forex platform? In other words, what makes a good broker? User-friendly interface. Your broker must have a user-friendly interface. The interface should not be technical, should not be scary. Let's take example of this. Let me show you this. Can you see this chart? It's very welcoming, very easy to analyze. Then compare it to something like this. Where will you start? This is a trading platform, yes, but can you perform on this platform? Where will you start? Everywhere is scattered with indicators and so on and so forth. So your broker should have a simplified interface for you. That is the first thing you have to consider whenever you approach the platform. Then there must be tools to aid you analyze the charts. Let's go back to my broker's chart. You can see we have a lot of tools. We have the trend line. We have the text. We have a lot of tools that will help you analyze the market for perfect trading. Then, what next? You have to be very, very conscious of the spread and commission. Now, what is a spread? That is the difference between the buying and the selling price of a currency pair. Now, most brokers or most traders do not pay attention to this, but it matters a lot. Imagine once you strike a buy entry, or when you want to strike a buy entry and you enter your market, you see a very big loss. That is scary. That is discouraging in the beginning. So you must get a trader that has a tight spread, so that even if you will be on the negative side of the market temporarily, it will be very, very small. It will not be discouraging. Then remember I said your broker is out to make money off your mistake. So however, your broker will not be comfortable seeing you losing. So your broker should be in the forefront of presenting you with education, forex trading research, market research, giving you opinion. Then the final decision anyway is left for you. The platform execution of the trade must be almost instant, if not instant. These are the things you consider when choosing your broker, or what makes a great forex platform. Now, how do you identify a genuine broker? There are 5 major ways of identifying a genuine broker. First, identify the regulator. It is a very big risk trading with a trader that has no regulator. So you must identify the regulator. How do you identify the regulators? The simplest way of identifying the regulator is write the customer care of the company, ask them who are your regulators or who is regulating you. What is the website of the regulator? What is your identification number with your regulator? Then go to the website, do your detailed research. Let me tell you, you want to make money in the forex trading, remember, the only person that you give your money to is a broker. So any failure in identifying how genuine a broker is as good as losing your money to the market even before trading. So as I said, visit the regulators' websites. Then the next step is look at the head office address of that broker on their websites. Now, once you get it, move to your Google map, input that address, and see what the Google map will provide for you. Is the office professionally looking? Is the building showing, yes, these people are capable of doing business? Or is it a touch building? Or is it a mini office? These are the things you do. One of the most reliable ways is also reading users' review. As I'm teaching you this now, I have reviewed more than 15. I've used more than 15 brokers in my journey of being a forex trader. So I know I can authoritatively tell you this broker is this or that. However, no broker is 100% perfect, but there are factors to consider when choosing a broker. And those factors are things I will discuss in a short while. Other thing you have to consider is number of years a broker has been in the business. You must consider the number of years. The longer they are in the business, that means they are trustworthy to a large extent. A genuine broker must provide you with minimum of 3 platforms: the MT4, the MT5, and the cTrader. Yes, the MT4 is the highly customizable platform. That is, I call it the ancient platform. That is where we started. In fact, that is the best platform for me. I use it till tomorrow. It offers a lot of charting tools that makes it easier for a beginner to start. Then the MT5 is a newer version, or well, let's say an improved version of MT4. Is new to the trading world, but it is highly user friendly, beginners friendly. MT5. Then the last but not the least is the cTrader. The broker has to provide you with cTrader platform. What is the cTrader platform? This is the social aspect of trading. It is a platform that will enable you as a beginner to just tap into existing trading of a professional. What am I saying? It's a copy trading environment where you can come even as a novice, copy someone's trading, though with some terms and conditions applicable. I have used this severally. I've used it many years. I have copied the trading of a lot of traders around the world. So which particular broker do you think has all these things? Now let me tell you, most of the brokers provide this. But I have a broker that has never failed. How? When it comes to fund withdrawal, you have access to your fund in the speed of light. As you are clicking your withdrawal, immediately the money reflects in your account. Yes, the funding of account is as easy as possible. With an twinkling of eye, your account has been funded. The spread and commission is almost zero. You may be wondering, who is this broker? Yes, the broker is called Octa Forex. Octa Forex. Yes. Once you trade with this broker, I guarantee you that you will definitely be rest assured that you are dealing with live market situation at any given time. Your fund is highly protected because they are highly regulated. For more than 3 or 4 years, I have been using Octa Forex. I have no reason. I have no reason not to recommend, not to tell you even to dump whatever broker, whichever broker you are using to test how trading is. Now, let me give you a bonus. I will drop a link for you to sign up with Octa FX. Once you sign up, contact me. I will provide you with 1 month trading signal. It could be only once, twice, or 3 times in a month. Remember, my trading pattern is for professionals. It's not scalping, not scalping signal. This is a mature signal that comes 1 or 2 or 3 times in a month, but with 99% of making money from the market. Yes, I said 99%, because you will take your time to analyze the market, wait for it to mature before you strike the market. That is the signal I will provide once you sign up with the link on below this description of this video. Now, another thing to test or that shows the reliability of a forex trading platform depends on your own personal trading experience. Yes, you have to personally validate it based on many factors, which I've listed some. your experience is needed in choosing a broker. However, out of many years of experience of close to 2 decades of trading Forex, I am telling you that Forex, they are there just to ensure that you make money off the markets. Yes, they are not your competitors in this time, but they are partners because they are very reasonable in whatever they do. They are one of the brokers that you can have leverage of 1:1. That means they are out there to accommodate every other person, every person that wants to trade. Some brokers does not allow 1:1. You must take a leverage, and as a beginner, that is a double-edged sword for you. It kills. But this broker gives you the ability to trade with your money, to regulate your emotion because you know the value of money you are trading with. Advanced method of choosing a trading platform is start a demo account with that broker. Yes. Please, if you're enjoying this video, in this lesson, I urge you to subscribe, share, be part of my channel because the algorithm will favor the video so that others will see the information contained in this video. So as I said, start with a demo account. Yes. The demo account should be as good as live. Write to the customer service and see how long it takes them to reply. Now, when it comes to Octa FX, no matter the situation, no matter the problem, it does not take anything more than 3 hours. Between an hour and 3 hours, you must have solution to your problem. Test them out. Go to the chat or go to the customer service, get their email address and write them and see how long it will take. So the demo must be as good as live trading account. Nothing should be short from the demo. That is the best way of choosing a trading platform. As I keep saying, your money is at stake. So you must know who you hand your money over to, and the broker is a person. So you must choose wisely. As the case is, who is my best trading broker? The link is below. Octa Forex. This broker will ensure their educational sector, or yes, the educational sector is second to none. You will be very, very knowledgeable. They encourage you to master the market before staking your money. Please, if you enjoy, share, subscribe. Use the link on the description in the description below to sign up with Octa Forex and contact me for a signal, 1 month free signal. You will definitely be happy to trade Forex. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video where I discuss more about the trading platforms. Thank you for watching once more.